basta, hindi ko makontain yung happiness ko. Now, nandito pa si Toshoba, si Marina, sabi ko nga sa kanya, I would rather see you in my team than on the other side. Kaya, basta masaya lang. Hindi lang ako. Lahat. Supporters, management, lahat.
Thank you, Coach. And for Marina, you scored the record-breaking 45 points here in the PBL. How are you feeling? What are your thoughts on your performance tonight against Choco Mutual?
All the game, I felt like I don't do anything, you know. So that's why I'm like, let's do more, let's do more. So about these 45 points, it's good for sure, but I'm not like on top of my career or better than someone else. No, it's just one game. So today it was like this. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Thanks to my team, thanks to my family, thanks for people who is close to me, and because of them I'm here now. Thank you, and let's work more.
Marina, how does it feel to make history as the leading scorer here in the PBL?
For now, I don't understand it. So I've just finished the game and I don't understand the game is finished, how it was. So I need to like calm down, and maybe after, yes, for sure, it will be on my career like a big point, and I'm proud of me, I'm proud, really, thank you so much. But for now, I don't feel it at all. Like, okay, thank you, I appreciate it.
Marina, throughout the match, it was back and forth. Choco Mutual also gave you a proper test today. So I guess what was the key for you to stay composed and have the team stay composed as well until you finally pulled it off in the fifth set and on top of your 45-point performance?
So the hardest thing for today's game was leave our pressure outside of the court. It was the hardest thing. So I was preparing me before one day. I was preparing myself, and then we did great preparation before game with our team. So thank you, coach, for your talk. Thanks, Ate Iris. She did a great job too. And then the hardest thing was like turn on our like speed, and then after this no one can stop us. So for me, goal for this game was to play with team. I need everyone there, and I said before the game to girls that no one will give us nothing, no any point, you know. We have to how to say we have to tell me when you like points. So we have to make points just with us, not no one will give us nothing. Sorry.
Thank you, Marina. And Coach, doon nga po si Tess Round, si Sophie Maya, record-breaking scorer. Ngayon, isa na namang import na record-breaking scorer kay Marina. Ano po masasabi niyo sa kung gaano kalaki naging contribution niya sa dalang pagbabago sa team sa maikling panahon na nakasama?
Marina has been carrying our offense for the past 3 games. Still, kailangan pa rin yung local players na mag-contribute. Sa first set, wala eh. Si Marina lang. Lagi kong sinasabi, you've got to help Marina, you've got to support Marina. We do not put all the pressure on offense, on Marina's shoulder. Kaya, lagi kong nire-remind, swerte the players, the next 2, 3, 4 sets. Maliliit, small contribution, but it helped a lot. Maganda na yung itinulong nila, yung blocking. Kasi, Marina, for that matter, she will make points. But we cannot put everything on her. Mabigat, kawawa naman siya. So, hindi naman siya nagpunta rito para buhating kami. Kailangan magtulungan kami. Okay naman, pati yung mga substitution ko, yung paikot-ikot ng tao, gumagana eh. Kaya, masaya ako. Marina, again, is on our side. Happy ako.
Coach, nakaraan sinabi niyo na papaangat na yung Capital One at patuloy na pinapatunayan ng team
na gano'n na nga yung nangyayari. Gano'n lang kayo pasaya, tsaka parang ano pang nakikita niyo kung gaano pa determined yung team siguro na manalo pa ng manalo? Kasi ito na rin yung conference best eh.
Magdidepende lahat yan. Ano? Kasi kami, the group, the team itself, talagang gusto namin yung mga I explained to them sa dugout kanina, since most of the players are not with this team during the first conference, hindi nila na-experience yung experience namin na para kaming mga kung sinong player na lang na kuhaan ng panalo, na pinagtatawanan. Sabi ko, kailangan boost nyo kasi gusto naming makabawi. Naintindihan naman nila. Yung mga iba, okay ako, andyan si Iris. Less ang management ko sa kanya as a setter. Andyan si Marina. Bibigyan ko lang siya ng encouragement. Kasi, sabi ko nga kay Marina kanina, whatever happens, hit it as hard as you can. I'm on your back. Kasi, merong mga instances na yung ang lakas sa backline, Marina is very strong, pero marami siyang na ganun-ganun. Marami siyang off speed. Siyempre, pagod. Maybe she's tired. But I have a specific instruction kay Irish Tolenada who was serving. I think it was you who was serving last service. I told Iris, whatever happens, give it to Marina. No one else except Marina. Give it to her. If it's outside, so be it. Pinalo nito. Tumama doon sa blank. Di nanalo kami. Ganun lang naman yan. There are simple things, simple instructions to boost the morale. Kasi they're getting tired also. You could just imagine, 6 o'clock yata mahigit na tapos. We started at 3 p.m. 3 hours maglaro ka rin. Basketball na, hindi kaya siguro. Yeah, you have to say something to them that they can forget their whatever they feel. Kaya mga simpleng bagay lang. At saka yung sa mga player namin, magdidepende sa mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw. Malalim magdidepende. Marami kasing mga basta. Ayoko nang munang magsalita. Basta kami maglalaro na lang, bahala silang lahat. Kung sino man yung mga tumutulig sa amin, baka mas masaya pa silang natatalo kami kaysa nananalo kami. Bahala sila sa buhay nila. Wala akong faki sa kanila.
Coach, aside from Marina, yung ginawa rin ni Iris at saka yung Roma May sa amin.
Ni Roma May? Oo.
Masasabi mo doon. Leadership din ni Iris.
Okay, si Iris talaga. I left everything to Iris. Sabi ko, yun that out, I told Iris, I told them, you follow Iris. Iris is my extension inside the hall. I cannot talk to you. I cannot whisper to you. But Iris is there for you to talk to her. So extension ko siya. Pinababayaan ko siya. Hindi ko siya pinakikialam kung anong gagawin niya. I left everything to her. Si Roma naman, napaka-stable ni Roma. Pero natawa ako nung fifth set eh. Pinakasimpleng bola. Di ba meron siyang hindi nakuha. Sabi ko, Diyos ko, ano yung 12-13 yun eh. Pang 14 yata kami. Ay, basta, lamang kami nun eh. Simpleng bola, sabi ko nga kay Roma, ano ka ba? Sa galing mong dumipensa, yung pinakasimple, doon ka pa nag-error. Tatawanan na lang naman namin. Napakaganda ni Romang addition. Roma is a very good addition to our team. Very stable on defense. Very good on reception. Hindi ko nga alam bakit. Buti na lang walang nag-pick sa kanya. Ako ang nakaisip mag-pick sa kanya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Or nailabas ko lang yung laro ni Roma siguro. Mas makalmante siya, mas relax siyang naglalaro. I do not know. Ask her na lang.
Just to add for Marina, tonight, they said it already, you made history with the PBL. What type of player are you whenever you're inside the court? Are you more of like pouring all your emotions like some of the players? Or are you more like shutting down first your emotions then just doing on the work?
I'm not that emotional player, yes. But but I need it, and team helps me with this. So every day, even practices, I'm coming to practice, and girls are always smiling, always ask me same emotions. So here, I can see the difference when I'm playing with emotions and without. So when I'm without emotions, and coach, you told me it's same, right? You told me I want to hear you. So when everyone can hear me, I do the better job. And yes, it's like this. So I have to think about it, and I have to change my game for like more emotional. But it takes a lot of power, you know, from you when you're like screaming after to go and attack again. Yeah, it's hard, but we have to.
Naririnig niyo ba yung tilik niya, yung scream niya? Siya yun eh. Sabi ko kay Marina, I want to hear your voice. Because it gives us all
Yes, it is really.
Uy, Marina is on her tip-top shape. We have to follow her. Pag tahimik kasi, siyempre, if she's silent, everybody is worrying. Why is she silent?
I'm sorry,
What is she feeling?
I will more coaching.
Wala na ba kayo? Bibigay, baka may dollars pa kayo.
Marina, you led the team to another big win. Was there any different to how you prepared for this game, or where your mindset was heading into this game?
I couldn't sleep yesterday night. I couldn't eat today. So it was like this, yes. And I was fighting with my stress all these days. Yeah, it was another preparation for exactly this game. I did another things I cannot share with you all, but yeah, it was different. And yeah, thank you to people around me, to my close friends. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks them.
Papasalamat naman ako.
Thank you.
Uy, thank you sa management, sa mga supporters ng Capital One. Medyo lumalago-lago na kami. Maraming salamat sa inyo ha. Diyan lang kayo. We're in for more surprises. Doon sa mga doktor ko, maraming salamat po, Dr. Ramzias.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you. Congrats on the win.
Go, coach.
Let's go.
Get up.
Yes.
Marina, you can hold this.
Loud.